I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the screen recording features after updating to the Realme UI 2.0 in this Realme X2 Pro device. So recently friends, I did update my mobile phone to the Realme UI 2.0 as you can see clearly. And after the Realme UI 2.0, there are plenty of changes which has happened in this particular phone. So I did a separate video friends, plenty of all explaining all the features, and there is even playlist created for the Realme UI 2.0 users as you can see here. So try to check the playlist which I created in my channel, and that playlist will be giving you a clear idea about what's going on and what are the tips and tricks you can find in the Realme UI 2.0 update. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly to get to know all this kind of details. So first let me try to open the screen recording features. So explaining what are the things you got here. Go to the convenience tool, and here you can find the screen recording as you can see friends. So the first option will be the obviously the recording system sound or recording the microphone sound. So which one you want to select. So if you want, you can select both as well. That is another thing which is advantage as you can see friends. So this is another really good thing if you want to use both system sound and the microphone sound at the same time. And next is a video resolution, so where you can select the different types of resolution, how much you want depending upon the size and data. So if you want to custom, try to select the 1080p, and if you want, you can even decrease the bitrate as well. So by default it is about 16 Mbps as you can see, but if you want, you can decrease the bitrate a little bit close, 4 as you can see, 4 or 8. Even you can have your own custom type bitrates. That's a really good advantage in terms of saving a lot of space for you in terms of making screen recording. That's another good advantage. So next is a frame rate. So there is no 90 fps option as you can see friends. The Realme X2 Pro is capable of playing at 90 fps, but there is no 90 fps option available at the moment. But you can choose the 60 fps to the maximum, and even if you want, you can leave the dynamic as well. Automatically adjust the based on the content being recorded as you can see. So even if you use this option, 90 fps will not be recorded using this kind of options. So next is a video coding format as you can see friends. So using this video coding format, you do get two different options, which is for smaller video size and for best compatibility. So every time I'll try to leave for the best compatibility only to get the better optimum results. So next is the front camera. So in case if you want to have the front camera while recording screen, you can even actually do that in this update. So next is the showing the screen touch as you can see friends. In case if you want to have the screen touch while you are trying to record, you can even do that. So which will also help and guide for the viewers you are watching. Next is help and feedback. So that's another complete different segment, and this is a quick list friends how you can actually, what are the settings are available in this screen recording in the Realme X2 Pro after the Realme UI 2.0 update. And for more videos on this particular phone, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So in case if you're having any other queries, so don't forget to comment below. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. And this is how it looks when you're trying to record using the front camera as you can see. Front camera in the game. So right now I'm trying to play the game, and it is a front camera where if you want, you can access. So this is how you'll be getting the circle, the front camera as you can see friends clearly, and you can move the front camera wherever you want. And this is the quality, this is how it looks. So let me try to stop the recording, and the recording has been stopped as you can see friends. So in this way you will be able to use the front camera while recording as well. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I think there is not much changes happened in the Realme UI 2.0 particularly, but I just want to make a video so that you will be aware of what are the things got changed and what are the things got not changed. So this is the video recording which I did just now using the front camera as you can see friends. So let me try to show you the details, how much it will be there, the size and all those details. I think size is of only 54 MB as you can see, not much. So I think I did record using only 720p, not the 1080p. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.